everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be testing out the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. I've had this one for a little while. It kept getting pushed back because other ones would pop up, but we're finally going to try it today. I have already primed my skin with my Tarte base tape. I love this stuff. It smells so nice and coconutty, and right now I am ready for a vacation. A coconut island would be wonderful, which I'm not taking, but I would like to. And don't mind my hair. I just wanted to get it out of my face, something different. And I'm gonna make another video on my hair before the end of this video probably. So hopefully in the thumbnail and at the end it will look better. So let's get started. Pull up my sleeves a little bit. And I probably am going to be embracing my roots because my hairdresser and friend isn't working right now. Their salon has shut doors and probably won't be open until the end of April. So I should look pretty sad by then. So I need to find some hairstyles to embrace my natural color, which I don't want to do because I think it's mostly gray. I really don't even know. It's been so long since I've seen it and I don't want to see it. I don't care. I don't want to know. Anyways, if you have any ideas for hairstyles that will diffuse my roots, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to try some new hairstyles. I'm not cutting it though. Don't even say that because it's not happening. But I would like some styles other than a ponytail because a ponytail does seem to accentuate it. I think I'm going to straighten it for the... Should I make a video out of it? I think I have another video, but I probably will just for a beauty break with Bentley one. Anyways, let's do this. So I'm going to shake this up a little bit and put some on the back of my hand. Ooh, that was probably way too much. I don't think I color matched it, but it certainly was at the top. I know I haven't used it yet. Anyways, I'm just going to put this on. Ooh, it's very light. Looks like we'll be bronzing this one up. I guess I didn't color match it, huh? Otherwise I would have known it was too light. And then I'm going to spread it with my brush. And then I'll go back and over it with a sponge. But yeah, it's definitely too light for me. But we can make it work. Hopefully it's got good coverage. And radiance is good. Right? We're into that now. And I can't believe that because I was such a matte girl. I really liked my matte foundation. But now, I feel like I like the radiance better. I don't know. I guess we'll wait till summer. That's when I like mattes better. I don't like radiance in summer because it just looks like sweat. Right? Yeah, not a lot of coverage here. Maybe we'll let this soak in for just a minute and see if it builds up. Because I'm not seeing much coverage at all. And so I will try and build it up a little bit just to see if it builds. See if we can get any coverage out of it because I don't really feel like there is any. And I've got stuff that needs covering as usual. Let's try it with a sponge. I don't see a lot of brush marks or anything though. Like I need to go over it with a sponge. I always need to go over it a little bit to blend it up into my hairline. Well, yeah, I'm not seeing any coverage. Let me get my phone and we'll see what it says about coverage. It says 4.4 stars. Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation visibly improves the look of skin, giving you a natural looking glow you'll never want to take off. This lightweight foundation, formulated with hyaluronic acid and collagen, hydrates and smooths skin while delivering a medium coverage foundation finish for the look of plump skin. It looks like it comes in 20 shades. It's $12.99. That's what it says. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's turn this off so it doesn't make noise. All right, let's keep going. Let's do our concealer. And because it's not going to get any better, look at that. Look how red my nose got already. Maybe that's just because I haven't powdered it. I don't know. Let's put on our concealer. I can already tell you that this is not going to be my favorite one because there's just no coverage. It says medium coverage, but it is not medium coverage. Not even close. It's light, very light coverage. So we're going to powder it now. I'm using my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. Oh, no, we're not. I forgot. We were going to try this Wet n Wild contour stick. And we need to do that before we powder. Well, I like the color so far. Let's just see how it blends. It's kind of orangey, huh? It may be too orangey. It's pretty orangey. That's okay. We'll just go over it with this and it'll tone it down. I need this brush now, I think. My hair is tickling my face right here. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, let's powder it. So I am going to make sure there's no creases in my wrinkles, no gathering. And it is gathering just a little bit. Not much though. Just doesn't cover enough to gather much. And then I'm going to go in with my Bye Bye Pores. Wonderful powder. Definitely gonna have to put a little bit of extra powder on because of that oranginess, but that's no big deal. Now I'm gonna switch to my powder brush and just spread that all around. Okie dokie. Let's go on with our powder bronzer now. I'm going to use my Milani because I love it. And I'm just going to swirl it around. Oh, it smells good too. Not quite as good as the Physicians Formula, but still good. All right, and then we're gonna move on to our blush, and we're gonna use our Dallas from Benefit. I just really want a beachy look, like I have a suntan, even though I thought about self-tanning. I really need to lose some weight. So I didn't want to look at that, so I didn't do it. So we're just going to do it like this, besides the fact that it's like 48 degrees today. So, you know, I'm not feeling that tan. Take my dual fiber brush and just blend all this together. And then I'm going to go in with my Benefit Cookie from Benefit highlighter. Give us some glow. And then go back in with this and blend it in. All right. So I'm going to spray this with my Morphe Jeffree Star Spray. It smells like strawberries. And then turn on my handy dandy fan. Dry this real quick a minute. It dries really fast anyways though. And I'm going to look at it and I'm going to tell you guys that I still don't think it has enough coverage. I mean, you can see it. Everything's showing through. So, but I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup and then I'll come back and we'll talk about it. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the look of the day. I am going to go do my hair. So tonight when I do my check-in, you'll get to see what that looked like. I'm going to make a video of it, I think. I think I'm just going to straighten it though. See how it looks with these. You guys get to see my actual color of my hair because my hair lady's not working. So I am going to have to wait for her to come back to work. And she just sent out a notice saying it's probably going to be a month. So you're really going to get to see my hair. So, but as far as this foundation goes, I don't like it. It's sinking into my lines, into my wrinkles a little bit. But it's just, it doesn't cover anything. Anything. It's nice and glowy. So if you have perfect toned skin, no age spots or you know, discoloration or red spots, or I have all of them, so I need some more coverage. But anyways, I will come back at the end of the day and let you know. I don't know how it can possibly change. It's already sinking into lines and it's already not covering. So, but I'll still come in at the end of the day because you want to see my hair anyways, right? Okay, I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did up against hot flashes. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the end of the day. I almost forgot. I was just sitting down, getting ready to wash my face or to take off my eye makeup, and thought, did I do the ending? I can't remember. And then I remembered I did not do the ending. So here we are to do the ending. And basically it didn't change. I mean, it's not in the lines. But, well, because it's not in any of my wrinkles, I would not give it a thumbs down. But it does say medium coverage, and it is not medium coverage. So I would give it a meh, because if you want a natural looking finish that's light coverage, it's probably a good one. Because it does have the radiance that it says it has. It isn't medium coverage. It isn't hardly any coverage. But it looks okay. It's just, I mean, it didn't get worse. But there's just too many good ones out there for right now for me to do something that is just not me, because I like more coverage. So anyways, I thought I would come back in before I took it off. I did do my hair. I straightened it. But then I pulled it back because I thought I was done for the day, so I could watch TV with a ponytail. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!